LOvee here. I welcome you all once again back to my channel. I'm just starting my vlog a little late today, so it's almost like 7 o'clock in the evening, and I just decided to go out for shopping because I would show you something before that, because that's like too messy, and after that even you guys will understand like why I'm going to shopping this late at night. Just have a look at this mess here. He has so many shoes and I have like so many shoes, and so I'm gonna get a shoe rack for myself today. So we're just gonna go there and see what are the different collections. And I really I have an idea also, like to get a bookcase and then transform that into a shoe rack. It's very simple, but at the same time your shelf will look more good, your room will look more nice. So let me go there and check what are the different collections they have. So see you guys there. Finally, we have just arrived into the store, guys, and they have just set up all this in the form of our house, our living rooms and our bedrooms as well. But this is the bathroom where I'm standing here right now, but this doesn't feel like a bathroom at all. It's super cool. I am like awestruck. It's so nice. I just want to make my bathroom look the same way as it is here. These are like artificial plants, but they look so natural. Wow. Guys, look at this. They have just made this from the cow's skin. I really don't like this because I don't like killing animals and all. I'm against all this, and they have just made it from a cow's skin. You can just feel the fur. This is bad. I feel so sad.
This is a studio setup, guys. This is the living room and the dining and the study area. Looks really cool, right?
Yeah, it's a very small place.
Yeah, but it's very cozy. You can see the dining plates and the cups are arranged in a really nice way. And they have some hanging plants.
I love this. See, I like this. We can get this fully for a house. Yes for Suki and yes for Samshu.
Right.
Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, the centerpiece looks really nice.
This is a photo frame.
It's a real flower inside.
No, it's not real. It's artificial.
Ah, okay, it's artificial.
But this is a photo frame, and they have just. This is a complete DIY what they have made here. This is a photo frame, and then they have just taken the glasses out, and then they have just hanged this. So I'm going to try something like this.
It's a really nice one bedroom setup.
Candy jar. No, it's a cookie.
It's a cookie jar, no candy jar.
You can have sugar or honey inside. The light looks good, but it's not that bright.
You need to pull the rope, which is shorter.
Oh my god, what is this?
This is the light.
This was the chair I really liked when I came here last time. It's so colorful. Our room is like full of white, so when we decorated with a lot of pops of colors, like when this is in yellow and for sitting, and you can place this near the windows, and when you have a look outside the view, it looks awesome.
Yeah, we'll see whether we can get it, but today we came for, I think, shoe rack. Yeah, let's go and check it out.
I always do this whenever I come out for shopping. I have something in mind. I end up buying a lot of other things, and then I don't buy what I really want. See, look at this. This is actually this will go well in my room setup, and I can display my slippers also. This will go as a good room decoration also.
Yeah, I think it's possible. Yeah, I think it will suit. Yeah, let's keep this in mind and look for other options. Yeah.
Maybe this one will go.
Yeah, I
Maybe
like
this
the
one will
black.
go good, you know, because I can arrange a lot of slippers in this,
Yeah, it's little
and
wider.
it's wide, and you know I can even
Yeah, it's
use
even
this as
tall.
a showcase,
Yeah.
and so many. I can have all my slippers in this, and even my bags.
I like the black one. I think the black one will go along well also to our home. Let's keep in mind.
Yeah, I think white or black, something. We just
Yeah,
pick either.
we'll decide. Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a cupboard with the glass, but you don't want with the glass, right?
Oh, with the glass. It's good with the glass because you know the slippers will not get
I think the
dusty.
bags you need it with glass
Yeah.
for the
Definitely
bags.
for the bags I need the glass. Keep this also as an option and then
Okay.
we can decide.
Okay. Good.
I love yellow. You know, even my slippers are yellow today. I think this will go with this. I'm just wondering if I should get the white one or the yellow one here.
Yeah, this is a candle stand, I guess.
Yeah, this is a
Yeah,
candle
it's a
stand, but
candle
I
stand.
love yellow. So how do we fix it? Like, we need some
We need some tools. They have tools here. So here behind you. So let's take a driller.
driller.
Maybe
This
needed
one,
for pictures, and take one of the screws and also the tools over here.
Wow! Hey, Mr. Noddy.
Yeah, we need this to fix it ourselves, guys. This is the biggest kitchen I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's the most beautiful kitchen I ever seen.
They have a big center table. Wow, so many cabinets below.
You know, the problem with all these open cabinets is you
Yeah.
have to arrange neatly. It's just like a showcase. You cannot arrange
This
whatever you like in it.
like how they have done, you can do the same thing, like arranging the plates and the glasses.
Yeah.
But if you see, there are lots of cabinets below which you can make use of it.
Yes.
It's all closed. It's really nice. Very big kitchen. It is very big kitchen. Phew. And they have a dishwashing area, additional
The dishwasher
dishwashing.
is very small.
But they have one over there. They have one over there.
Oh, okay, that's cool then.
Cool.
I love this setup.
Nice. Hey, see who's sleeping inside.
Sleep. You know, last time when I came here, I saw a cactus stuffed toy, which I really loved.
So we got the stuff.
Yeah.
It's really big.
And I cannot even push this. It's going in the way. I also got a makeup mirror.
You have to take all this inside our car, and that's going to be a challenge.
Yeah. So we finally reached home, and we are
Super tired.
Yes.
Tired.
I'm not tired because he was like lifting all the boxes and all. So we are gonna assemble this right now. We have finally made it. I really love the finish. It has a lot of cabinet. I can organize my shoes really well. I'm in love with this. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. This is Krish signing out. Bye bye. Take care. I'm here. I'm just gonna be in this place forever. Just look at this place. I love gardens, and indoor gardens are my favorite. Indoor gardens are really my favorite.